Hi. So we are at Costco walking around. We were just at Best Buy, about a 4 terabyte external hard drive, Western Digital, my book. It was on sale, so I picked it up because we need it. Because doing these vlogs are killing memory, and we definitely need our memory. We need to keep them. No, I'm not fishing on. Nothing here that we need. We came for some stuff, basically just dishwashing detergent stuff, and we're walking around because we're a little bored too. So you come to Costco when you're bored and see what's going on. Look at this. This is the kettle. We have this at our house.
Yeah.
My uncle just brought it to us. For 20 bucks, it works awesome. You like it? I like it too. This is a frother. Yeah, I don't know about the frother. I really want to get a waffle maker. This waffle maker looks pretty good. It's only 30 bucks and it flips. Okay. You know, I don't make waffles at home. We make mostly pancakes because we bought the buttermilk pancake mix. But you can also make waffles out of it if you add like oil and less water. But we'll see. Batuma's at home, if you're wondering, sleeping, so I'll catch her as soon as we get back. Alright? Okay, bye. So we are at Home Depot. I'm looking for 3M tape. Double-sided tape. Other than that, that's pretty much all I can say here. You walk around this place and you're like, wow, look at these nice light fixtures. Right, Hamill? You're like, ooh, this is so fancy. I want one of these. No, I really want one of these. We should get one of these for the living room. And it's only 40 bucks. What do you think, Hamill?
In your mom's house?
Yeah, at my mom's house.
One?
Yeah, one of these. No lights, just a fan. Just the fan, just this one. See this one right here? 46 bucks. It's $44 even. It's cheaper. Because I mean we live in Torrance, so technically we don't need an air conditioning system because we live by the beach. So, but when it gets cold, it gets freezing. But I like that fan. It's a simple looking fan, but we have to install it, and I don't know who's gonna install it for us. So, oh, sheesh. I'm gonna go eat after this. I want some Philly cheesesteak fries. Sounds delicious. All right, we'll see you guys there. Philly cheesesteak fries. So we are at Toroya Wakikaiza menu. I ordered this organic mixed green with wakame. That's that right there. With Hamill. This place is going to be closing down in about 10 days. I guess the business is going out. This is mostly a ramen place. And it's the only one in the South Bay that has chicken broth ramen. Because we don't eat pork. Spicy tuna. Thanks. Right there. In the middle. Thanks, man. Spicy tuna bowl. That looks good. It's a rice bowl, side of wasabi. Look at that. So I'm gonna enjoy that. I'll hit you guys back when the ramen shows up. So we got a ramen bowl. It's a Sapporo style chicken broth miso. Comes with teriyaki chicken, green onion, bamboo shoots, ramen noodle. Not spicy, so there's one for her, one for me. I got the egg. So that looks pretty good. I'm still working with my spicy tuna rice bowl. That's the salad, almost done. That thing is on fire. How is it, Hamill? It's good? She likes it. So we are getting ready to go into the car wash. I like to wash my car here at the V gas station Shell next to my house.
I like it too.
You like it too? You like it too? I like it too. Oh, I love this thing, how they They just freak you out, like. Bleep, 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 bleep. And then put the e-brake up, put it in park. It's like so fun in here. Yeah. The thing is that Fatuma is small right now, so she doesn't. She probably would kind of feel this as kind of being scary, but when she gets older, this will probably be very fun for her. Yeah. Oh, so getting ready to go through the air. This is the fun part of the whole thing. That. Air dry the car, man. Air dry the car, dude. Air dry the car, bro. Air dry the car, bro. Ah! That was pretty good, huh? That was pretty good. I like that.
Oh my god.
What?
أنا قاعدة على الفكين
Yeah?
وأنت قاعد تشبكي.
I'm sorry. I had to do it. I really had to do it. It was funny. Tell me that wasn't funny. That was
Funny.
very funny.
Very funny.
Alright, so we're craving something sweet to eat. I don't know what yet. We're probably gonna either go home or we'll stop by the Marukai next to my house. Alright, bye. Emma! Why are you making that face? Why are you making that face? So we are at the Marukai market for the cakes. Mini cream puff. Or eclairs. Or bound chocolate orange. I don't know what these are.
Yeah, but food.
Petit food?
Yeah.
اسمها petit food. شو يعني petit food?
I like.
Petit food. Almond powder. Okay, so we'll get that. Cheesecakes. But how about this, Hamo? Tiramisu. Hamo? No? I like this cake. I'm gonna have that. What is that?
Butter cake.
Green tea cake, butter cake, and chocolate cake. They look good. I like them. But this, I don't know what the. What is that? This is called the Rock. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we'll get this, and I'll get the cheese. Oh no!
This one,
What is this one?
cooking with the dog.
Cooking with the dog.
Yeah.
What is it? I don't remember, but what is this though?
This one?
Ingredients: sugar, milk, butter, salt, wheeled, pumpkin. It says pumpkin. Okay, so you want to try that one? Green bean ants? Well, like green. Which one did you get? Red bean. This is red bean.
Pumpkin?
Red bean.
Red bean pumpkin?
Red bean. Oh, red bean pumpkin. Red bean pumpkin? Yeah, it is red bean pumpkin. Okay. Get it. They have a chocolate coronut.
The
Oh,
chocolate?
that's what it's called. It's called
Yeah,
chocolate.
yeah.
They have chocolate ingredients?
Flour, sugar,
Milk,
baking powder,
red
corn
bean,
syrup,
green bean, white bean, pumpkin. Is this the chocolate one? This one? Okay, cool. Alright, so we'll get this one. So we're at this part of the Marukai market that has like all the cool kitchen stuff. Like this bowl. It's like braided and this weird looking steam thing. And Hamo with this gigantic Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty!
Oh my god.
Who do you know is gonna want that? Hello Kitty.
Fatuma.
Fatuma. Fatuma want a Hello Kitty. We got a whole little Hello Kitty area. No, look at some stuff over here. No, I want you to hello. What is that? It's $8 for that. For that little plastic thing. And it doesn't say anything, it says Hello Kitty on it. But it's oh my god, that's expensive. I mean, I don't know what the prices of that stuff usually cost, but for $8, that's not really worth it. But I see Asian women wearing this all the time. So I'm kind of wondering, like, can they actually see through it? Here, Hamel, put that on. Hamel, it's a hat. Don't be afraid. Like this. Can you? No, you have to see out of it. Like, you have to wear it like this on your face. Can you see? You can see? Mm-hmm. Really? Let me try. Let me try. Oh yeah, I can see. I can see out of it. Does it look good? It looks pretty good. I can see out of it. We got little detox patches, some shoes. This is a cool little like kitchen area. Look at this little thing. Bamboo. Steamer. $7. Toothpicks. Gigantic toothpicks. For $2. You want some toothpicks, Hamel? Oh, when we make miso soup at home, we can use those bowls. Miso soup bowls.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Same thing instant. You can get this ceramic kit by Kyocera. I like it. There's more stuff on the other side. I don't. Can you see? Can you guys see what's over there? Looks like they're still setting it up. I'm guessing they're making it as like a more grocery store that side, and markety homey goods on this side. What is that?
$10 for free.
$10 for a peeler, but it's ceramic peeler. So it's extra special.
Okay.
Hey, when it's ceramic, it's extra special. Of course, you know. Yeah. What is that? It's for, turn it around so we can see. Let me see. Oh, it's for fish.
Mm-hmm.
Descaler. Yeah. You want to get that? No? What are these? Plastic sauce bottles. They're shaped like fish too. There we go. We got all this. There's a Daiso next door too. We'll go there right now so you guys can see. Okay, bye. Mom just called me. She told me that my brother's ordering Peruvian food. We have a El Pollo Inca restaurant next to our house, and they make Peruvian chicken. Anyway, so we're here at Daiso for this cool stuff. What is this? What is this? No, let me try it on you. Let me try it on you, because I can film it on you. On me, I can't film it. Turn around. Oh, no? Game over? No, it's for massaging. So we're walking around here, looking at the cool stuff. That's all pretty. So this is a nice Daiso. When they first opened up, the lines out the door, everything was crazy. Everybody was crazy. But now it's calm. It's cool. It's relaxed. She's making fun of me. She's making fun of me. Alright. We're going to finish up here, walk around, then we're going to go home because Fatuma woke up. Fatuma. Okay, bye. What are you eating? What are you eating? Hi, Fatuma. How are you today? I know she's going to make a mess. Is that chocolata?
Yes.
Oh my god.
That's your chocolate.
That's my chocolata? I didn't give it to her.
I give it.
Who gave it? You gave it to her. Yeah. So this is what we end up getting today. We got this My Book, Western Digital 4 terabyte. We got this liquid gel because we need to clean our And of course, you guys throw the chocolate. What are you doing, Baba? Where's the chocolate? She ate it already?
Yeah.
Okay.
نعم نعم ماما أكلت السكر. نعم. I was terrified by your daughter today.
You were terrified? She terrorized you. Fatuma terrorized you. Baba, look at your mini.
She did.
Look at your mini.
See? You see how she's acting?
Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. You about to say? You're so cute. What are you eating? Cheesy thingies? Are those from Sprouts? Cheese curls? Yep, make a mess. Make your mess. Anna, here's your doll. It has been put in the toy aisle with the rest of them.
Would you brush my hair, please?
Patula, brush your hair. Brush your hair. Here. You like her? You like her?
Come on. We got more exploring to do. Okay.
Yeah.
Being friends with you is one of my favorite things under the sea.
Yeah. Press it again.
Let's go see if we can find some action.
Why are you beating her up? Why are you beating her up? What'd she do to you? Anyway. Die, baby. Come here. Come here. Anyway. So we're gonna call it a night because we're done. And Fatuma likes to eat her shoes. As you can see. Oh man, that's dirty. That's dirty. Why do you like to eat your shoes? Did. You have fun with Grandma today? Oh my God. That's just gross. Why would you eat your shoe? Huh? You wanna say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hug, hug, hug. Kiss? No? Oh, your hands are covered in... Ah!